Hey there, welcome to TopLine and our extraordinary facility. I hope you enjoy what you see.
Welcome to the TopLine Automotive Engineering Facility. This property, which was completed in 2010, is located with accessibility in mind. It is literally only feet from the Brooksville Regional Airport with its 7,000-foot runway, and it has a CSX railroad spur adjacent to the property. It sits just off of US 41 and 16 miles from I-75 and easy travel to the southeast United States. It's 80 miles to Orlando, 46 miles to Tampa, and 312 miles to Miami. The 200,000 square foot building was designed as an industrial manufacturing facility with all the amenities. There is a large 10,000 square foot office complex, as well as 12 bath and restroom accommodations. This is a uniquely engineered complex with state-of-the-art cooling, heating, and electrical systems.
This is our 28 miles of tubing throughout our entire facility. Water's chilled in our chiller outside, 45-50 degrees brought in. From there, go to our heat exchanger into our boiler air conditioning facility, and then pump distributed through the entire facility. Now that the chiller is off, I'll be able to explain to you and won't have to scream. I don't scream very well. With 200 horsepower variable speed motors, when we start this puppy up, it draws enormous current, 550, 600 amps. After going into the third week, we modulate down to it. At the beginning of the third week, we're averaging 48 amps, cooling 200,000 square foot of a facility. It's all remotely controlled. Did I mention we have our own transformers? Okay, lower current using our own transformers. We still have a 7-year warranty left on the chiller. Chilled water comes in from the chiller, then it's distributed through the entire plant in 28 miles of tubing. That's our cooling method. In January, when it gets a little chilly, we run it over to our change the heat exchanger, run the water over to our boiler, run the boiler, we're running at 75 degrees floor temperature. Boiler runs 3 or 4 hours a day. After 3 or 4 days, the entire floor is a comfy 75 degrees. Our gas bill for the entire year was $280 for 250,000 square feet.
There is paid parking for 100 cars. It includes lunchrooms, a conference room, and engineering space. The complex includes a 15,000 square foot clean room. It meets all EPA regulations. The potential is outstanding. The building sits on more than 14 acres of land, of which only 7 acres have been developed. It would be ideal for a corporate headquarters, industrial plant, or modern agricultural facility.